For beginners, practicing English effectively involves starting with foundational skills and gradually building up complexity. Here are some steps tailored for beginners. Learn basic vocabulary and phrases. Start with common words and everyday phrases. Describe your day from the morning till the evening. Use flashcards or apps like Duolingo to memorize the vocabulary. Practice pronunciation. Listen to native speakers and try to imitate their pronunciation. Use apps like Forward to hear words pronounced by native speakers. Simple conversations. Practice basic greetings and simple conversations. Use language exchange apps like HelloTalk or Tandem to chat with native speakers. Use children's books and educational material. Read children's books and beginner-friendly materials. Use websites like Staffall or OxfordAll for graded reading materials. Watch educational videos. Watch videos aimed at English learners on YouTube. Use language learning platforms like FluentU that use real-world videos. Listen to beginner-level podcasts or audiobooks. Use apps like LinkU, which offer audio lessons with transcripts. Write simple sentences. Start writing short sentences and paragraphs about your and your friends' or family members' daily activities. Use tools like Grammarly to get feedback on your writing. Practice listening skills. Listen to simple songs and try to understand the lyrics. Use listening exercises from websites like ESL Lab. Take online courses. Enroll in beginner English courses on different platforms. Use language learning apps. Apps like Memrise, Babbel, Rosetta Stone, which offer structured beginner lessons. Practice regularly. Dedicate a fixed amount of time each day to practicing English. Set schedule. Consistency is a key to progress. Label objects around you. Label common objects in your home with their English names to reinforce vocabulary. Join online communities. Participate in forums or social media groups for English learners. Example: Reddit r English learning. Engage in interactive learning. Use interactive tools like language games and Quizlets on websites like Kahoot or Quizlet. Be patient and persistent. Understand that learning a new language takes time. Celebrate small milestones and stay motivated. Combining these methods can create a well-rounded and engaging learning experience for beginners. Good luck!